Today, we blast into the wild world of nitro-burning Mustangs. Buckle up, it could save your life. Mind-blowing fun fact. The 1971 Mustang Funny Car was a beast built for pure speed and straight-line insanity. With a fiberglass flip-top body and a supercharged V8 Hemi pushing over 2,500 horsepower, this thing wasn't just loud, it was violent. These drag monsters could rip the quarter mile in under 6 seconds at over 230 miles per hour, with flames spitting and tires smoking. And yes, Hot Wheels captured the chaos in miniature form, turning this nitro legend into one of the most collectible diecasts ever released. It wasn't just a toy, it was a tribute to the golden age of drag racing. Bonus, funny cars like this were often faster than top-fuel dragsters, with bodies that looked like your favorite muscle cars. This is Fun Facts Garage, where the journey is loud, legendary, and unforgettable.